What's going on? Showtime here. If it ain't the rain, it's the damn freaking wind. The wind is just blowing today. Making that tree right there look like it's gonna fall, even the one in the front. Almost over there. I had to move the cars back, as you can see. I didn't want the freaking tree or anything to fall on it. It's super windy out here. Trees right there, look at the lines. See the lines? It's just blowing out of here. Oh man. It's blowing out here. I see something going on back here. Let's see. Let's see what they got here. Looks like my little shed is, oh shoot. Looks like my little shed right here fell apart. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, that ain't. Holy shit. Oh wow, I knew it was bad. I didn't think it was that bad. Oh yeah, better get this right here cleaned up. Better get this cleaned up here. Man, oh man. Even the dogs are scared. Alright, well anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the wind out here. I'm telling you, man, if it ain't the goddamn rain pouring, it's the wind. It's amazing, man. It's just amazing. The weather this year, I mean, look at that. It broke a trampoline, my son's trampoline. One of the holes there came off. Wow. Alright, well anyway, I didn't think it was that bad. Until I came back here, I was just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how windy it was. But oh man, my garage door's open over there. Okay, well anyway, I gotta fix this right here. I just want to show you guys what was going on over here in Fresno, California, and I will have to get back to you. Yeah, I'm Showtime and I'm out of here. Be safe out there.